Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to point something else out to you, something that I'm really proud of, and something that I've heard and seen customers, as you're walking up these stairs. We used to have a different kind of grill here that we would put on our stairs. This is actually an intake, the cold air duct for our heating system, and we've made it's really nice and durable grill there, and decorative. So hey, we're making improvements. We continually listen to our customers, continually making improvements. So hey, tell us what you think. Give us a call. No more stub toes. No more when you step on this, bending the grill. This is nice. Give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.